Hey beauty, so today's video I will be showing y'all how to transform a two-piece into a one-piece dress. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos, give this video a fat thumbs up, and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first I'm going to straighten the pants out, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the top part off where the elastic band is. I was going to take it apart, but it seems as if the pants are also connected to the elastic band, and I don't have time to do all of that. So yeah, I'm just going to cut that off because technically you won't need it to make a dress. So after I finish with the pants or the biker shorts, I'm going to lay the shirt out, and it's just a spaghetti strap crop top. And I'm also going to cut the bottom of it off because the edges are smooth and I don't need that either to make the dress to connect it. So I have my sewing machine right here, and basically all I'm doing is I'm connecting it, because really this is the most simplest thing. It's really like a two-step process, only if you're cutting the parts off of the pants, or depending on how your pants are and your shirt is made. It definitely was a little tricky and a lot of work to actually do this part because it was so much fabric that had to be connected, especially the pants. Like, the pants are actually wider than the shirt, which I did not notice until the last minute. So I probably should have made them smaller first and then connected them, but I didn't really realize it until I started connecting. It was so much space left, and the seams were kind of like uneven with each other.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
So as you can see right here, this is what I've cut off of the pants. It was so much fabric on the pants, like I kid you not. So I can't say they were a little loose in the front when they were just spider shorts, but I didn't know it was that much fabric that it was able to come off. So as you can see right here, they have like 2 slits. I have one on this side and then it's another one on the other side. And basically what I have to do is I have to connect it, because that's the part where the shorts were separated to, you know, form like 2 separate pants parts, pant sleeves, or whatever you want to call them. So I'm just I'm continuing to cut off the extra fabric, because like I said, there was so much fabric and I didn't want to connect it if it wasn't like a even piece of fabric. So it was tricky. I really didn't know how I was going to do this, but I did the best way I possibly could. But it's fine, because the whole point was to make it into a dress, and the dress looked fine. So that's all that matters.
Lakey inspired.
Fight.
So I'm getting my sewing machine again, and I'm connecting those parts, and I was already finished after I finished that, because I really didn't have much else to do.
Knockout. You win.
Choose your fighter.
Lakey inspired.
Fight.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finishing touch. I really wanted it to be kind of like the top part straight and then like spaghetti straps, because that's how I usually like to wear like spaghetti strap stuff, period. But it's fine. It looks really cute with this this jean jacket, and I like it. It's really cute and short. I thought it was gonna be way longer than this, because the outfit was longer than this, but I guess since I cut a lot of fabric off and I connected it, it made it shorter. But it's still cute. It still covers my butt, covers what I needed to cover, and it's really cute. It's tight enough for me, and I love the pattern. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.